Okay, this is the D4RF analog fiber amplifier that I'm going to be sending out to you. On initial power up or after a factory reset, there's a couple of settings that you set at the beginning, and I'll just go ahead and set those up now. Um, Obviously for us, we're going to do English, but there's several languages you can choose from, and then the output is the next one. So you can set it for 4 to 20, 1 to 5, or 0 to 10 volts. I'm not sure which one you need. I'll just do 0 to 10 for now. And then once you do that, it'll go into the run mode. As you can see, this right here is the incident light level. I have the sensor connected to not the exact same cable that we're sending out to you, but similar. And I did have to put the little apertures or slit masks on the sensor in order for it not to be saturated even at the lowest emitter level and so forth. So I did put those on 1 millimeter, so I'm pretty sure you're going to have to do that in your application. Not sure how wide they're going to be apart, but that will probably be something you have to do. To adjust the emitter power level and the response time, you just press this OK menu button, press and release it, and then you can go in here and go through the various settings by using this little rocker switch. Analog is one of them that you could do. So if you want to go in here and change it to like 4 to 20 or something instead of 0 to 10, you can do that. And then you could also go in here and adjust the span or invert it, depending on how you want your analog signal to be. And then there's some out of range, so you could do clamp or hold, and then the averaging of your analog, you can adjust that. So it's pretty easy to go in and set all that up and adjust it for getting the most repeatable signal out of it. To get out of there, you just kind of press the escape button there. And then what we're going to want to look for is detection. And using this rocker switch, we're going to look till we find emitter power. And right now it's set for max, but you can go in here and set, there's an auto, but then there's a mid, a min, a mid, and a max. So you can see what that does to the incident light level as you adjust the emitter power. So for now, I'll just leave that in max, but that's where you adjust that. Press the OK button to accept the setting, then the escape to go out of there. And then what we're going to want to look for is response time. This is the other way to adjust the emitter power level and the speed. It's currently set at 250 microseconds. And you can see as you adjust this number, the threshold or the incident light level changes significantly. So the minimum power level and 16 microseconds would give you the minimum emitter power that you can set the sensor for. And then 8 milliseconds maximizes that. So for this setup, I'll just leave it at 250 microseconds. Press OK to set it. And that's really all there is to it. There's a few other little settings, but that adjusts the emitter power level and the analog type that you need. Hope this helps. Good luck. Thanks.